Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got another video. In this video I will show you how you can go ahead and redeem gift cards on Lyft app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. For that purpose, first of all, go ahead, open our Lyft app that we have installed in our mobile phone. After your app is open, it's gonna look like this over here. Then what you can do is simply go ahead, tap on this horizontal on top right corner. This will open up your account settings, including all of the menus below. Then tap on this gift cards option given over here. If you do that, you will be able to land on this kind of interface where you can go ahead buy a gift card if you would like to. Otherwise, you can go ahead and see this redeem your gift card option. Enter the gift card number that you get with the gift cards right there. The numbers, you will simply go ahead, add the particular number over here. Once you're done, tap on this redeem option and your gift card will simply be able to be redeemed over here in Lyft app. So yes guys, this is a very easy method for you all. If you would like to purchase as well, there is an option where you can purchase a gift for a particular reason and can gift somebody, and if you have one, you can redeem over here as well. So yes guys, this is basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll make sure to see you guys in another video.